This futuristic health chamber costs $150,000. Imagine being able to combine the most innovative health technologies into one device, so you could literally compress decades into days. So I just touched down in Denver and I'm headed to go meet Steve right now. He's picking me up and then start planning for this experience. This is my friend Dr. Steve. He ran a physical therapy practice for over a decade and treated 9,000 patients. And he's dedicated the last 35 years to studying the human body, health, wellness, and longevity. A couple weeks back, he invited me out to Denver to try his new invention, which is a health chamber that combines 7 of the most innovative technologies. I've never seen anything like this, so of course I had to say yes. What are you calling the chamber these days, by the way?
It's the Ammortal chamber.
It's the Ammortal chamber, aka the God chamber. It sounds spicy.
You won't feel anything. Okay. And then very quickly put your feet on the platform.
Ooh, is this supposed to sting?
It can zap. Yeah.
What does that mean? At the time of making this video, the company is just getting off the ground. They have built a few prototypes. The reason why we visited one that's inside of an Airstream is because they're going to be taking this model on the road to lots of potential clients, organizations, and trade shows. So I feel very privileged to get access to something that's so cutting edge and is literally just being spawned into the world. We've arrived at an RV park, and this is our Airstream where Steve's going to murder me. Wow. So the coils are in the glass?
In the computer. It's so simple.
I've known Dr. Steve for a while now. He definitely knows a lot of things in regards to the health and wellness world. In his tenure working with people, he started to see some patterns. Tell me about your evolution of that and how things sort of changed over time.
Yeah, you know, I went through traditional medical training. When I started practicing, we were basically using what we were taught onto patients. And then roughly about 4 years into treating patients, my ex-wife, Charmaine, was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis. It was a very severe case where she was actually hospitalized for a week and was basically living off of an IV. And the doctors said the treatment for this is to take these 2 medications for the rest of your life.
Steve devoted himself to understanding the root cause behind people's symptoms and understanding why their system isn't accelerating its own healing. Within 6 weeks of doing some research and deeper testing, they discovered a flesh-eating strain of E. coli that was triggering Charmaine's ulcerative colitis. They killed the bacteria and she's been cured ever since. No flare-ups. Once he found that with his ex-wife Charmaine, he started looking for that in others and with his patients that he was seeing. And that led him to the discovery of some of these technologies that could help accelerate the healing process.
One of my business partners came for a meeting in my office, got into sort of this contraption like rig together, and he said, "This is incredible. We need to get this out there." And so flash forward 4 years later, we now have this incredible chamber with 7 different technologies, all designed to basically give your cells and everything it needs for your body to restore itself. The 7 different technologies, it isn't 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 = 7, it's equals 70 because there's synergy with each technology. There's all kinds of technologies that can restore you, but experiences are what changes you. The entire chamber was designed to be not only incredible technology, but an experience that physically, mentally, spiritually, energetically changes you to that next perfect version of yourself.
So that's what I'm about to do for the next couple of days. So why'd you guys decide to have this like bench sort of instead of like a flat lay?
So it's zero gravity. So it's what all the cosmonauts use around the world. So it's basically just so there's no pressure points on either side. So you lay in there and it's like you're floating. The nice thing about this is these are the highest quality elements that exist of all of these specific modalities.
Okay, so here's the premise behind the chamber. You get in and you get calmed down by the vibroacoustics and the sound therapy. Then they guide you through some relaxing breath work. Then as you do that, the rest of the technologies turn on. You get flooded with antioxidants, you get that light sandwich from below and above, and all of your cells get recharged. When you're in a much more rest and digest state, these technologies can have a much greater impact. And when all these things come together, it creates an experience that's unlike anything else I've ever tried. All right, let's do it. It's time. Sick.
Life is wonderfully beautiful. Life is wonderfully beautiful.
All right. Let's go. This is...
Candle and goggles off, and feel free to drop them anywhere. Gently rise, get dressed, and exit when you're ready.
It's crazy. I feel like recharged. There's a lightness, there's a calmness. If one could feel heavy, that heaviness is relieved. So that's my experience. So 2 weeks prior to coming out to Colorado, I injured my left wrist doing handstands. And it was really bothering me. It was preventing me from training. So I was hoping my chamber sessions would help heal my wrist so that I can get back to training. It definitely feels a lot better. Let me put a little bit more weight on it. That's probably 80% better. I can feel a noticeable sense of like, it feels like reduction in inflammation. Like my body just feels like it's not inflamed at all, which was not my experience before. Probably having to do with the injury, right? I feel good. I feel like dialed. I feel dialed. That's how I feel. Sensation that I remember very specifically after my first chamber session is how much lighter I felt, how much more energized I felt and clear-minded. And I was just wondering, and I said this to Steve and Rob, how often am I going through life not feeling like this? And how much am I missing out on because I don't have the capacity or because I don't have the energy or the presence or the mental clarity to actually fully engage with that moment of life. So there's 7 different technologies in this incredible chamber that the Ammortal team has built. Number 1 being near infrared light. Number 2 being red light therapy. Number 3 going to be sound therapy. The next going to be multi-wave electric field, hydrogen gas, which I didn't get to experience in this session, but it is a part of the unit. And then the last thing is a pulse near infrared light. Each one of these technologies has research to back it up, but Steve and the Ammortal team are in the process of funding some studies to see what the effects can be when you merge all these technologies together at one time. So let's talk about who this is for and who it's not for. This piece of technology is geared towards mostly wellness and spa, clinic, or regenerative health owners. The reason why this works is because there's a business model, right? So people come in, they have a session, they have an amazing experience, and there's not really much of a sales process that has to happen in order for people to be pretty excited about this, because basically everyone who gets in the chamber, they have an experience like that. There's a really good cash flow opportunity because it doesn't take up a lot of footprint in your clinic, and you don't need anyone to service this machine. It's pretty simple. You just press the button, you turn it on, and then when someone's done, you wipe it down and then they're gone. The amount of maintenance and cost that it takes to keep this running is very low. Even though it may be a high initial investment, it may make sense because it's gonna be such a moneymaker long term. The other person that this chamber is sort of geared towards is the ultra wealthy or the athlete, someone who's highly invested in their own personal health, and they're already spending a lot of money on this type of technology, except in this case, they actually get to save a lot of time because they're collapsing all of those modalities into one singular session. And because in reality, we only have so many units of time, and there is no ego in having things go faster than they previously could. And that's kind of the way that I'm thinking about this. This doesn't replace your nutrition or having a good exercise program, having community, having a sense of purpose, and all the basic fundamentals that make someone healthy, but it can dramatically speed up the process of recovery and restoration. And I don't know about you, but I'd rather have things take less time rather than more time. And believe me, I'm fully aware that this is not accessible to the majority of the population, but it's exactly like the Tesla model. When they first rolled out, there was a really expensive roadster that was, you know, really only accessible to people who had a lot of income. As it started to become more popular and the demand started to be driven up and competition came in, that's what drives prices down, and that's what makes it accessible to make this a more realistic application for people just outside of that little tiny niche. And that's how great innovation starts, is the wealthy people are going to be the ones who fund the creation for the rest of us. Because as you start to experience economies of scale, that's when prices can come down. So if you're interested in getting a chamber, whether you're a spa or a clinic owner, or you just want one inside of your home, then I will put a special link down below. I worked with the team at Ammortal to create a special offer where if you decide to go through my link, then you will also get access to my coveted biohacking toolkit. So if you do decide this is something you want to get, if you go through that link, it really does help support me and the channel. And I'm really excited to be supporting Ammortal and my buddy Steve get this out to more people, because this experience is incredible. And if more people can have it, I think the world would be a better place because of how I feel right now. Going into the rest of my day, I know it's going to completely change the outcomes of everything that I'm going to be doing for the rest of the afternoon. And more people deserve to feel that. It's a few hours later and I've just finished up my work for the afternoon, and something that I was noticing as I was working is how much energy I had and how present, how happy, how activated I felt. And honestly, it made me think, how awesome would it be to feel this way all the time? And I'm starting to see this trend where technology can really accelerate the capacity for the human body to heal, recover, and restore. And it's my belief that the mind and the body are going to be able to get back to normal a lot faster than with what we used to experience with traditional medicine. Here's what I can tell you from my experience trying all these things and being exposed to these different people who are on the leading edge. It's only going to get better. It's only going to accelerate. Yes, some of these interventions are very expensive right now, but I feel like we're at the point in time in history where we're gonna see massive disruption in the health space, and we're gonna start seeing people get really, really good results a lot faster than they used to get it. And this is just one of the many examples of that. This is just the beginning for Steve and the Ammortal team. And as they continue to innovate, the chamber is gonna get better and better and better. Thanks so much for watching. I know if you like this video, you're gonna like that one or that one. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that right now. And leave me a comment, let me know what videos you wanna see next. Take care and be well.